thing is, no, you just have to take it.
Hold this for me. Hold this.
There we go.
Yeah, hold it. Perfect.
We're recording. Is it pointing? Is it pointing straight?
It's pointing down at the ground.
Well, fucking.
Pull up on it.
No, you don't. Just here. Let me get it.
Pick up your hat.
There.
No,
more. Up more.
Yeah. A little too far. Too much.
No, dude.
That's perfect.
Money in the bank.
You
Look a wee bit silly, but
Hey, you know what?
Hey, it's cam footage.
I'm gonna slap it on the gun.
Fuck.
Let's try that.
when he knows gun cam footage is like
I just screamed at
better.
Oh my.
Someone else is going to point on the ground. So when he
That's much better.
Yeah.
but when he knows he's
Dude,
gonna
it's camo too, so it's already.
when he knows
little
he's
more
gonna get
hidden.
some good like action, he slaps on the gun.
using?
Yeah, just
Because
Garrett's
MP5
What?
This footage better be up
doesn't like
tonight.
me very much.
Where are my gloves? Is it recording?
Oh no!
He
You left him in the car.
the motor forward up into the gearbox. Yeah, is it recording? Trey opened it up and it fell off.
When?
Opened it up when you were doing that. That's my car.
Fuck. I really want this knife.
Shit, I couldn't
Huh?
find it. Where's it going?
Going to get his thingy.
We have to go back and find that later.
I feel like I'm the guy from Ghost Recon. I feel like I've got like night vision on.
I feel like
Look at my shadow.
Oh, so close, John. I wish airsoft didn't require goggles.
Yeah, that would suck.
No, I mean like you could just wear like this and it wouldn't hit you.
Yeah, well,
we can't wear them like that until we get engaged.
let me start. So what are we trying to do now?
Still thinning.
Yeah, that's my main goal.
The rules are always so fucking.
See somebody shoot them.
Did somebody help me get that?
I know. I
phone
heard
out?
like 5 minute respawn.
Suck.
1-0.
I owe one.
No, 1-0.
It's pretty nifty. You cut a hole in that.
Hey, let's go hang out at the tobacco shed.
Look at all the free BBs.
Alright, so
Who's got distance? There's some guys over there too. Holy shit. Oh, come on. Shit. What?
alright, you take left, I'll take right.
Hey, we got tons of guys over here. Over on the outside. Oh shit! No, it's working.
Okay.
This is ridiculous. I took a round to the head. My camera okay? We're in business. I'm coming back!
Give me cover!
For that little jog. Dude, I'm burnt. Can we go home?
Dude, I ain't take a fit.
What the fuck is going on?
Hey, sniper in the field, go. Trey, if you can rush him and give us this MAD, we should do it.
Where's their sniper in the field?
Alright, look, left, right. He's right on the corner there.
Oh, I see him. Holy shit. Dude, he looks like fucking Chewbacca.
Where is he? Oh, yeah.
Don't even tell me. Oh my god.
Hey, they're obviously got ammo.
No, that guy didn't call any of those hits.
See the one up on the hill right there?
Yeah, that fucking Chewbacca looking motherfucker.
It's 26.
Dude, I'm gonna rush that kid.
Go do it.
Are there other people behind the bunker?
No, we should get one or two people to just run that way. There.
What?
Dude, no, I'm not even kidding. We would scare the shit out of them. Get one or two people to run that way. Like towards out in the field. Just two people to run.